Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Dr. Kharlukhi ubadi UMP Karaja Sabha. Ulaong ba usngo sarong ba uwan na Jylla Meghalaya na malasan posnam. Jylla kalakenjo. Ompat dan watang shisien ru baka dorbar kan sangi no atang shiteng hapo yeng dorbar tawaan Jylla. Henry hapo parlimen ulaong bala arsien lahaban pensangi iswa. Haba kali kumno usngo halor gajing Trei kam ki MP Jylla ki bami khmat hapo Lok Sabha. Dr. Kharlukhi ulaong omla banlen baki Kham Trei bha maki banya uru watla kidang long ki bathamai kum ki MP ulaong bakila shimbenta bha namar bakila pensngoi ki jingnawa jongki bat kila yo banya kenduru bat ki menteri ka sarkar India.
That I'm very proud that I'm from this state because 50 years of our statehood, not a single day was wasted in which our session was had to stop, adjourn and all this. In Parliament, it seemed always a daily affair. I think I was there for 2 sessions. We could not function. That was number 1. And I know our MP going there, they will behave like that only, like what our MLA are doing in the state.
But how do you see the performance of Salim and
Well, they are new, but I've seen them doing quite well. They start raising questions, meeting ministers. That's not bad. They're performing better than me. I have not met minister. I have not attended NDA meeting, so they're better. Only I used to take chance in the 0 hours, plus a few questions here and there. So they are better than me.